I've got one last story, and we're not really going to have time to talk about it, but I do want to get it on the record. This week, the Republican-controlled Senate voted to block both parties' competing health care bills, sharply increasing the likelihood that enhanced Affordable Care Act subsidies enacted in 2021 will expire at year's end and trigger steep premium hikes for roughly 22 Americans as soon as next month. Democrats' bill to extend the subsidies for 3 years fell short of the 60 votes needed to advance, while Republicans' alternative, letting subsidies lapse in favor of expanded health savings accounts and cheaper, higher deductible plans, also failed, essentially punting the issue to the 2026 midterms. Now, Friday, we did hear that Mike Johnson and Republicans have something resembling a plan to move forward with a floor vote next week on a long-standing conservative healthcare package pitched as an alternative to the Affordable Care Act, which Simon's lovely wife in a chat referred to as the Can't Afford Care Act, or CACA. The bill would create new choice accounts to let employers steer workers toward individually purchased insurance instead of traditional group plans, restart federal funding for ACA cost-sharing reductions to unwind the silver loading practices that they called, and expand association health plans that allow small businesses and employers to self-insure with fewer constraints. We don't get a chance to talk about this today, unfortunately, but I do have Dr. Rob Stone appearing on the panel next week, a member of Physicians for a National Health Plan, and we will get to discuss the Affordable Care Act, the CACA plan, and whatever else comes down the pipe in healthcare next week with a real pro. So look forward to that. But in the meantime, let's wrap things up, and I'll give each of you an opportunity to shamelessly promote yourselves. First, Simon, go ahead.
Thanks. Okay, everybody, thanks for listening. I can be found at simonhiggs.com, and Organizing Indiana can be found at organizingindiana.org. And we've got a bunch of calendars, and most of the organizations that are listed actually did help with the redistricting fight. So it's a one-stop resource hub for everybody to make use of and find your common people.
Very good. Appreciate it. Chuck, how about you? Pitch us something.
Sure. My one pitch I have is I'm available through the Hancock County Democrat Party here in Hancock County, Indiana. And if you're interested, tomorrow we are doing a speaker series that you can get onto through our newsletter. So you can just reach out and email us. We'll be having a local candidate on, John Logenstall, who will be running for Center Township board member. So really looking forward to that conversation. And we'll be doing more spotlights on local candidates throughout the next few months. So just look us up and get involved.
Fantastic. We'll be on the lookout for that. And Leslie, finally you.
My website is also my name, leslienuss.com. I have a new record called Ride at Dawn. You can listen to it on any streaming platform. It features a song the title song I wrote with a student at Self School, where I do a music program on Thursdays, and another song that I wrote about advocating for children with special needs called Could I Sing About It? But I'm really proud of it, and I recorded several of the songs in Indiana. And so that's, I guess, the main thing. I've got a YouTube channel, but you can look it up under my name, and I think on Instagram, I'm Nuss for Us, and Facebook, Nuss for Us, because that's when I ran for office. That was my thing. So anyway, thanks for listening, and stay strong, everybody. Keep democracy going.
Hell yeah. Very good. Thank you, Leslie. And one last pitch from me. Again, we are running a special over at HoosLeft.us for all new subscribers from now until the end of the year. Only $35 a year to support this project, or about $350 a month. That is, again, over at HoosLeft.us. That's also my handle on Blue Sky, Instagram, and Threads. The handle is at HoosLeft on all the others. Until next week, I've been Scott Aaron Rogers. Love each other, Indiana.
Thanks. Bye.